Hey guys, it's Witch. Today is just a day off from work that me and Pan both share, so we are going to go shopping to get food because we don't have any, and then we are going to go have a picnic because it is August and it is almost the end of picnicking season and we never got to have our picnic, so we're doing it now. If it wasn't obvious, I chopped all my hair off. That's the thing. I didn't really do much with it today, so it's just kind of there, but it's, short. And this is my look. I also have some shoes on. You can't see them. I didn't work at all. I also have some shoes on. Shop. I hope that worked. This is Pan. This is where the animal lives, I think. It's a pretty big hole. It's definitely not a chipmunk.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I forgot to close out my vlog yesterday, but yeah, so we had a really good time. That place is super, super beautiful. I recommend wearing really good walking shoes though, because it is quite a walk. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited and back to vlogging. I know I'm excited to be back at it finally, so yeah, hopefully lots more to come. Talk to you guys soon.